How's it, folks? This is Scotty and Royce. Okay, we made a video a while back about Magic Island. Hope you guys go back and watch that one. But we stopped at the Waikiki Yacht Club because I didn't think I could get into there to see all the boats. But if you walk behind it, there's a big harbor here, so we're gonna go check out some boats today. We're gonna walk this way. Let's go, Royce. Today's Monday. Not sure what time it is. I'd say noon. We took the bus down here. It costs $1 for me to take the bus. That way I don't have to deal with the traffic. The traffic is insane in Honolulu. Just letting you guys know. I'm sure you figured that out already. This is a major city and the traffic is insane. So we're gonna go check out some boats. Okay, we're hanging out right next to a place called Prince Waikiki. And yeah, do I feel like Mission Impossible? No, I don't think so. So we'll walk this way. It's a beautiful day. Oh, Royce just yanked on the camera. I gotta change hands. Yeah, sometimes I say Groundhog Day when it comes to weather in Hawaii, because it's always 80 degrees and partly cloudy with a little rain. But when you get down to the beach, like where I'm at, or to the ocean, it rains minimal. Most of the rain is Mauka. Remember, Mauka is toward the mountains and Makai is toward the ocean. So we're gonna jam across the street and not get run over. Okay, Royce. Royce is jamming right now with me too. He's in a good mood because we're walking a completely different place. I think he actually likes going to new places. So we'll check out some of the names on these boats. Jamtilander. Mika. Oh, sorry, I didn't see the whole thing. Ah, Mika. Kaiola. He's got two names on that one. There's Heather. All right, Heather likes leather. Any of you Frank Zappa fans out there? See, I'm a musician, and if you're a musician, you know who Frank Zappa is. Just like you know who Beethoven is. Oh, this is nice down here. Let's take a minute to reflect. Get some reflection off the water. What does Royce say? Royce says, how's it? There's the police, the DLNR police. Cool. Okay, so yeah, not very clean water, huh? I don't think you want to go swimming in that. All right. Yeah, some more very tall buildings. Got the flags flying. Got the Bud Light truck. Okay. Okay, that reminds me of Forrest Gump. Captain Dan. There's the Le'a. What's this one called? It's hard to see that one. Esoteric? I think so. A non-Hawaiian name for a boat down here. Okay, this place is called the Chart House. I've heard of this place. It's a very, very upscale seafood restaurant. And, whoa, another really tall building. Hey, you want to buy a boat? Cruise in Hawaii. There's a fishing boat. Call this guy up, he'll take you fishing. Garensbra. Okay. Okay, here's a guy. Oh, this is the guy that takes you on the tour. Cool. Hey, how's it?
How's it?
I'm on YouTube. I hope you don't mind.
Hi, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. Come whale watching and fishing with us on the Tortuga, Waikiki. We'll show you real Hawaii. Whales, dolphins, tortugas, turtles, monk seals.
Right on.
Flying fish. Have a wish. See a rainbow.
Well, you're good at this. All right. Thank you so much for helping me out today. I appreciate it.
Aloha.
Aloha to you too.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Okay, it's the Tortuga. Whoa, that was pretty cool, right, folks? I ran into some really nice people. Their number again is 808-368-1391. For any of you guys in Texas that are going to come to Hawaii and want to go fishing or go for just a cruise. This guy just goes for cruises, man. How's it? Good. Looking good, looking good. Okay, a lot of these guys are into hiring their boats out to go cruising. There's another guy. This guy goes diving. Aloha Dive O Charters 2 Inc. All right. Hey, I think we're having fun today. Royce, what do you say, man? Are you having fun? I think he's having fun. He probably needs a drink of water. He's being a good walking dog today. There's another boat for sale. You guys want to buy a boat? If you do, please call me up and I want to go for a ride. I'll bring refreshments. Kiana, Honolulu. Well, that one's for sale too. Okay, you guys, a lot of boats for sale. My ex-mother-in-law had a boat and she called it a hole in the ocean where you put money. Something like that. Oh, there's the wicked Wahine. Wahine is a woman, by the way. Kane is a man. So if you come here and you go to the bathroom and it says Kane on one side and Wahine on the other, you better go, well, if you're a man, you better go into the right one. Well, not sure how long this video has lasted, but I think it's pretty good, a pretty good length. What do you say? Look at that, how beautiful. Be nice to see a boat come in, but it's really quiet today. It's Monday. That's why. I imagine weekends this place is jamming. But I don't want to end it right now, so we're going to walk over that way a little bit. So we'll be back. Hey, look what I found. Anybody know what this is? I would like some comments about what this is. And if you know what it is, how much did it cost you to use it when you were younger? I remember a dime. And my mom used to always tell me to carry a dime in my pocket just in case. A boomerang. Okay, I see we're gonna head over back to the ocean side, so that's pretty cool. Okay, some nice platforms. Yeah, okay, this is where everybody launches their boats. Some of the channels I watch, they hang out near Lake Mead, and there's a lot of boat launches in Lake Mead. Kind of look like that too, except Lake Mead's running out of water. Hopefully the Pacific Ocean won't run out of water, but who knows. What I'm hearing is it's gaining water because the Waikiki shoreline is eroding, and it's an issue right now with our elected officials, what to do about it. A year or so ago, they dredged out and brought in just tons and tons of sand and redid the beach, but it's already starting to erode, so they might have to do it again. Okay, the beach is that way, so let's go this way. All right. Check this one out, guys. Lost Elvis. Pretty cool. Okay, this is called the Hilton Lagoon, and I guess that's the Hilton right there, and this is their special lagoon. Pretty nice, and it's open to the public. I didn't notice they had a sign that said no dogs. They probably do. What does Royce have to say about that? No dogs. Yeah, he's okay with it. We've met some really bad dogs before. Not. We don't meet any bad dogs. We meet nice dogs all the time. Yeah, okay, this is a pretty mellow place. Look at this. Okay, we're just gonna walk over to the ocean, check it out. There's Diamond Head. Diamond Head's in all my videos, huh? All right. There's Gilligan's lunch wagon. Gilligan! I did another video walking the Aloi Canal, and this is where the canal ends up. You can see there it is. And it ends up here, and they put up these little trash catchers. Check it out, man. I was pointing out earlier how much trash there was, but they try their best to get it all. All right, let's look one more time, the canal. Well, I'd like to thank everyone for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. And we'll be talking to you later, okay? We're sailing off now. Bye.